Forget climbing mountains, let's talk about climbing the crypto ladder. How easy is it really to snag yourself a whole Ethereum, or 1 ETH? First up, the most common route crypto exchanges. Think Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, or Gemini. Step 1. Create an account. You will need to provide some personal info and go through verification. Step 2. Deposit funds. Link your bank account or debit card. Most exchanges support multiple methods. Step 3. Find the ETH trading pair, usually ETH/USD or ETH/USDT. Now, just enter the amount of ETH you want to buy and execute the trade. Remember to factor in those transaction fees. Feeling a bit more adventurous? Explore staking or yield farming. Staking involves holding ETH in a supported wallet to help validate transactions and earn rewards. Almost like earning interest. Yield farming takes it a step further, lending or borrowing your ETH on DeFi platforms to generate even more returns. But be aware, these methods come with higher risk. Keep an eye out for airdrops. Crypto projects sometimes give away free tokens, including ETH, to promote their platform. Follow crypto news and social media to stay in the loop. It's like finding free money. But remember, many airdrops are scams, so always do your research. Lastly, consider receiving ETH as payment for goods or services. If you're a freelancer, artist, or small business owner, you can add ETH as a payment option. Just create an ETH wallet and provide your address to clients. So, is it easy? Relatively. Whether it is buying, staking, or receiving payment, there are multiple accessible avenues for accumulating ETH. The path is yours to choose. Remember to always do your own research and invest responsibly. Happy ETH hunting.